Hey guys, Jake Palat here, and today I'm going to run you through my process for keeping my boat clean. As an avid boater, it's one of the struggles that we deal with, so I'm going to run you through my process today. I just pulled it out, gave the scum line a little wipe down right when I pulled it out. Now I'm going to follow it up with this Boat Juice exterior cleaner. This is my favorite product for easily hitting the outside, getting off all the water spots, and providing a ceramic sealant coat to it. This exterior spray is awesome, and it's super easy. Just coat the side of the boat, and then you just immediately follow it with a microfiber towel. It's just that easy, and it puts a protective coat on there to help with water spots and is a ceramic sealant for the exterior to keep it all shined up. So now I'm gonna hit the rest of the boat. The key for this is just following it up pretty much immediately with a towel. It's hot out today, so I only sprayed about half the boat. And then now the back half is looking shiny. I'm gonna move my way to the front and hit the front half of it. As a bonus, this Boat Juice exterior spray smells like pina colada. So it's extremely effective, but also smells really good rather than being a harsh vinegar or chemical smell. This stuff's awesome. And just like that, the exterior is done. That was super simple. It was literally maybe 5 minutes of spraying that exterior spray on there, wiping it right off. It's super shiny and looks insane right now. Let's dive into the interior. So moving to the interior, where I typically like to start is shop vac. I'm gonna get in every compartment, around the floor, in the corners, and just pick up all that loose dirt, little things that end up in the boat. These things can be tough to pick up with a towel. So I have a little battery powered shop vac, and this is always my step one for getting the interior clean. All right, so that's pretty good for the vacuum. For me, the big key is just making sure that you get in and around the cup holders, around all the speakers, and in all the tiny little corners that just tend to collect little bits of dirt and dust and everything. Now let's move on to step two. So my Taiga's interior is pretty much bulletproof, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna do everything I can do to keep it looking new and take as good of care of it as possible. That's why my step two on the interior is always this Boat Juice interior spray. It's a vinyl cleaner and ceramic UV protectant. So all it is basically is a spray on, wipe off. You can use it on all your seats, all this stuff on the interior. So what I'm gonna do, spray on, wipe it off with this microfiber towel, just immediately following it. It's gonna pull out all the dirt, and that protectant coating is gonna stay on the seats and protect it for those long days out on the water, making sure the interior will last for a long time to come. So making sure you get on the seams of the panels, because your cushions touch a lot when they're down, it's important to make sure that you clean in between them because a lot of moisture can stay trapped in there. This stuff's great because it cuts really deep with dirt and really gives a deep clean to your cushions, but it doesn't smell like those harsh cleaners either. So the whole boat smells like orange creamsicle right now, and the seats look fantastic. An added bonus of the Boat Juice products is they fit perfectly in a cup holder. This is awesome for when you're on the go getting things cleaned up. There's always an easy place to store them and access them as you're cleaning things. Super simple. Let's move on to the last couple parts of the cleaning process. The last step on the inside is I'm gonna hit the windshield with this Boat Juice glass cleaner. This is a glass cleaner and anti-fog control. Smells like lemon, keeping the good scents going in the boat. This is really all I ever do on my windshield. Spray it on, gets all the water spots out of there, and it's just an easy wipe off, and it does leave an anti-fog coating on there so that early mornings or when you're uncovering your boat, you're not dealing with a fogged up windshield. But keeping true with the other Boat Juice products, this stuff is really simple to use. Doesn't get better than that. And just like that, windshield's pretty much good to go. I'm just gonna hit these last two sides. So that pretty well sums things up. We got the whole interior dialed, the cushions are looking good, windshield's looking good. Now we'll move on to our one final step for the exterior. So at this point, we've got everything looking real good. As a final step, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Boat Juice protection spray on it. What this is a spray-on ceramic coating. So even though we have it all clean and shined up, what this is gonna do is throw a protective coat on the exterior so that it gives a little more longevity to the exterior work that we already did. This is the protective coat that'll make it last. All right, so that pretty much sums up my process for cleaning the boat. It looks pretty immaculate right now and a simple process thanks to the Boat Juice products, so I highly recommend those. If you're interested in trying them out for yourself, head to shopboatjuice.com and I have a discount code JAKE10 at checkout. We'll save you a little bit of money if you're looking for some good stuff to help keep your boat clean this summer. It's pretty straightforward, and honestly, if you just kind of stay on top of it and have a regular maintenance schedule, you really never have to do much more than that. So that pretty much sums up my boat cleaning process. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.